everyone else hear that?
Yeah, and it's getting closer. And it sounds an awful lot like
Mine.
I'm back, baby.
At least I hope I'm back. Because, oh my god, warning, rage moment incoming. So, I'm trying to get back into streaming. Last weekend was when I returned to streaming. I had a migraine Saturday, ruined Saturday's stream, did a stream Sunday, had a blast, been working my ass off all week, got to Saturday again, and it's like the universe hates me. So, and granted, you could say this was my fuck up. I loaded up OBS, getting set up at around, I think it was around 10 to 12 or something. A little bit later this week, a few things delayed me, and I accidentally updated OBS. Because OBS has gone from 20 blah blah blah, 7 blah 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 to whatever, to 28 blah 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 whatever. And a lot of people are saying don't update to 28 because it's still in testing. There's a lot of issues with plugins. And the update appeared a while ago and I went, skip this update. So something just popped up, and being stupid, I suppose, I didn't quite read it because it was just saying about updating for plugin fixes. So I thought it was just a normal update to just fix, you know, bugs like programs do. No, it was a complete update to OBS 28, which already I don't like. It has disabled several of my plugins, which is why I didn't update it. It disabled my touchscreen, so my whole being able to switch between screens and everything weren't working. It buggered up my Stream FX, and all these other things. And I've literally just been fighting with it for about an hour trying to get it sorted. And honestly, I tried thinking, oh, would it be easier to roll back? So I tried to roll it back, couldn't find the right thing to roll it back. So ended up getting it working on 28 as best I can. Everything, touch wood, is working, with the exception of Stream FX, which is really annoying me because it should now work with OBS 28, I'm being told. I've updated it, I've installed it, I've updated it, I've followed every guide I can Google, and Google Food's let me down. Well, it hasn't, it told me what to do. OBS has let me down. And so that's the only thing that's not working as far as I can tell. I have tried my best to test everything. I've tested my mic, I've tested my sound alerts. My clips weren't even working. I've got them working again. I've got my touchpad working again. And you know what? I just could have done without that today. That has just really set the bar of how pissed I am already. Which is not how I want to be on stream. I want to have fun. I want to have a laugh. So now my rage moment's over. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the stream. For those of you watching on YouTube, hello. But yeah, so sorry. Now that my my rage moment is over. Hopefully everything's working. We're going to be continuing with some Res Evil 2. Hi, Trick! Oh. Running dude, running dude, running dude, running dude, running dude, running dude, running dude. Let's get somewhere safe.
Not.
Hi, Trick, how are you? Welcome, thank you for dropping by. Oh, yeah, I've had a bit of a meltdown at the beginning of the stream because OBS screwed me over. Or the update did, should I say. And I'm hoping I fixed all the damage. Oh, Trick! Thank you! Oh, Trick, thank you very much. Appreciate that. That's it. That cheers me up. That makes all the hassle of OBS worth it. Thank you. If I remember correctly, my favourite friends out here. Wolfman! Wolfman, thank you. Oh, guys, appreciate it. Thank you very much. Oh, right, that is quite. You two have just made all the. What? Sin? Oh, Trick gifted one to Sin. Oh, thank you, Trick. Oh, brilliant. Oh, it's absolutely brilliant. Thank you. Oh, Sin. Hi, welcome to the channel. I didn't see you lurking in the background. Is that you've just dropped by? Hope you're well. Oh God, right, sorry, thank you. You've actually just, you've put a massive smile on my face. which is good, and that's needed because I'm about to step through this door and freak out a little bit. I'm always lurking. Hey, we love lurkers. We all love lurkers. Oh! Thank you for the minis! Ah, that's spider! Oh, fuck. Mike! Thank you. Appreciate. Holy shit! Hypetrain? When did that come in? Holy shit! Oh, guys, thank you. Do you know, I think I've only ever had like 1 or 2 Hypetrains. Thank you. Oh, guys, thank you. That's just made me the fact that I'm about to die and have to restart this all again even worth it. Oh, do you know, I'm so glad I finally got around to setting up little things like this for the stream. Oh, thank you. Hey, guys. Oh, seriously, thank you. That has just made... What? Oh. Sorry, I had to mute my mic. I didn't want to scream. Jesus, Trent, what the... Oh. You're gonna break me, guys. You're gonna break me. Jesus Christ. Oh. You've broke me. Oh my God. Jesus. Sin. Oh. No. Guys, stop this. No. Oh my God. Jeez. You know what? I just... Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, stop. Please stop. Kim! They're being nice to me! Tell them to stop! I'm actually getting emotional here. No, please don't do this to me. Oh my God, Trick, Sin, thank you. Wolfman, thank you. Oh my God.
What is your burn that thing? Did Sin win the win the lottery?
They're being uber nice to me, and it's breaking me.
Stop breaking him,
Oh, guys, thank you. Oh my God. Honestly, this is like that time when my Matty Ray, my brain's just like, no, can't compute it. Oh my God. Your sympathy's overwhelming. Oh my God, guys, thank you. Oh. Wow. Sorry, I'm lost for words.
Clip that last 30 seconds, please.
Thank you for the host. Oh my God.
Because someone
Guys,
just clipped
you've
that.
just...
Literally manually clipped the last 10 seconds.
Oh.
So I can send that to Rebellion.
For someone who
Clearly,
can witter at
that's
times,
a fault.
I am absolutely lost. Oh, I can't even speak now. I can't formulate words. English hard. Thank you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Level Beckin 5. Wow. Now, please, now, thank you, but stop. I can't. So that is the first ever like Hypetrain that's got like to level 5 on my stream. Thank you so much. Honestly, that yeah. I've been having a real fucking shitty time the last couple of weeks, and honestly, guys, you've absolutely just made my bloody year. You've just, wow, thank you so much. And thank you. And if I am missing anyone who was like joined in on the Break Me stream, I apologize. Wow. No. I'm celebrating. You broke me. Oh. Wow. Oh my god, it's still going from all those subs and everything. Oh my god. Oh, hold on. I'm just making some notes. Because my brain is like just toast now. Well, that's going to make dying very, very worth it. So thank you. Wow. No, seriously. You've literally just, yeah. Wow. Yeah, that's the face being pulled in my brain. It's just like, what? What? Oh my god. Right. Thank you. Oh, I don't have any other words than thank you. That's all my brain can produce at the moment. Oh. Right. I need to try and recover from this, because I've just been on this screen for how long now? Oh, seriously, I love you all. You're absolutely brilliant.
What? The fuck?